Hey guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com. Now, if you've been following me for a long time, you already know exactly what my dream car is. I've wanted an Audi RS6 Avant for a very long time. And now I have one. And today, we're gonna give it its very first dip color. Enjoy the video. Now, as far as the color that's gonna go on the car, well, we could take this in a lot of different directions. We could put the loudest, most obnoxious color on this car and try and get the most views possible, but this one's too close to the heart. I wanna put something on here that I'm genuinely, personally going to be happy with. Now, you guys know, I personally like the matte, aggressive colors. That's more my style. We have a brand new color, Desert Tan, that I think would be perfect for this. It'll be clean, it'll be aggressive, it'll go really well with all the black and carbon accents. So Desert Tan going down in the RS6. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we're done with the project. The car looks absolutely amazing. I'm so glad I went with this color. There's a million different ways we could have gone, but this is unique and clean and mean. It's exactly what I wanted. And of course, with peelable paints, I could wait 2-3 months, as long as I want, peel it and change it up again. If you want to dip your car this exact color, click right up here. It'll bring you to the Desert Tan car kits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Let's check this baby out. I'll see you guys on the next video.